Today I am going to show you how to add YouTube live stream in your WordPress website. Okay, first you need a verified YouTube channel. Okay, now I will going to show you how to embed YouTube live stream in your WordPress website. Okay, I was already logged in my WordPress website dashboard and also log in YouTube channel. Okay, now here click go live. When you need embed YouTube live stream in your WordPress website, then you need create schedule live stream. Okay, now here manage schedule stream details, live stream details, title, okay, stream title, how to add website YouTube live stream, description, how do you want to go live. You can use stream software, also use webcam. Schedule time 15 February 2023 11 AM. Done. Upcoming, how to add website YouTube live stream. Now type webcam, here option get shareable link, copy link, embed, copy, join live stream in February 11 AM. Okay, here add YouTube live stream. Join live stream in 15 February 11 a.m. Watch on here. "48-minute due." Okay, thank you for watching this video. If this video help you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like, comments and share. Okay, thank you.